Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Lite Food, and in today's video I am going to make the Dal Makhni. Dal Makhni is one of the gorgeous recipes among all the lentil dishes. It is loaded with butter, heavy cream and lot of flavorful and intense spices. But making it in a healthy way is not so challenging. So let's go and make the recipe. But before that, do subscribe to the channel and share the video with your loved ones. To make the Dal Makhni, all you will need is to measure the two lentils, and for that I have 1 cup and 1/3 measuring cups here, and I will take 1 cup of whole urad or the black urad lentil and 1/3 cup of kidney beans or the rajma. The amount of kidney beans should be less than the black lentils. Next, all you have to do is soak the lentils overnight or at least 8 to 10 hours before cooking it. One more thing is that soak both of them separate for the perfect cooking of the lentils. After soaking overnight, wash the urad and rajma nicely and keep aside. Now in a pressure cooker, first take the rajma or the kidney beans, add required amount of water and cook for 2 whistles. Many times the rajma is not cooked nicely in Dal Makhni, so I cook them extra for that perfect base of the curry. Once done, let the pressure to release and add the soaked black lentils to the cooker along with the kidney beans. To this I will add salt to taste, around half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. If you don't like to add turmeric powder to your lentils, then you can completely skip it. Now cook the lentils for 2 more whistles on medium heat. When done, let the pressure to release and transfer the boiled lentils to a bowl. As you can see, this is looking perfect. Now keep this aside. So the lentils and beans are cooked perfectly. Just make sure that you don't overcook the lentils, else they will mash while making the curry. Now I'm going to cook these boiled lentils with all those flavors and spices. To make the curry in a wok, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is warm, add half a teaspoon of sahi jeera. Next to this, add half an inch of cinnamon, 3 to 4 buds of green cardamom and 10 to 12 buds of whole black pepper to the oil. Next here I am going to add 1 bay leaf. Keep the heat on low so the spices doesn't burn. Next, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and 1 chopped green chili straight into the oil. Cook all of them for a minute. Next, I'll add 1 chopped onion and cook the onions till the raw smell is gone or translucent. Once done, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes straight into the wok. Cook the tomatoes till they are soft. Next, I will sprinkle salt to taste. We have already added salt to the lentils, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, add Kashmiri red chili powder for the nice red color, and half a teaspoon of curry powder. Cook for a minute and sprinkle water if needed or to deglaze the pan. Now add the cooked black urad and kidney beans into the spices and give it a stir. Using the back of a ladle or stirring spoon, mash the lentils nicely. Cover and let it to cook for 15 more minutes on low to absorb all those flavors. Once done, add 1 cup of whole fat milk for that nice creamy taste and texture. Using low fat cream can also be an option, but it won't give the curry the creamy taste. Mix and turn off the stove to avoid curdling of the milk. So the Dal Makhni is ready now, but if you really love butter in your curry, then add a little bit of homemade butter or olive oil extracted butter for the taste. Serve hot and enjoy a simple and light Dal Makhni with rice or chapati. For garnishing, here I am using low-fat yogurt. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. For written recipe and other food and health related topics, please visit my blog at www.alllitefood.com. As I'll see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.